guys, welcome to the Garcia blended family. Today we're going to review a Fab Fit Fun box. I know I've seen a couple of these online, and usually when people get them, they're getting the entire box with all the options and not really a good representation of just what you actually get in as a consumer. Welcome boxes for someone promoting it, generally they get every item. Now when you order a Fab Fit Fun box, they're $49.99, and you can, if you do a monthly subscription, you get 3 options to customize. So it'll say you have these 3 products, which one do you want? And then it'll go to the next page and it'll be like, these are 3 products, which one do you want? And then it'll do the 3rd one. If you're later to the customizing game and you don't go right when it opens, then your choices might be more limited. They might only have 2 options or down to 1. So you're able to customize it towards your preferences, but you don't get all of the products. There's definitely a range. So I just got mine. I've been doing it for about 2 years. It's seasonal. It's 4 times a year. Generally, it's well worth it. I've never had a box that I haven't liked. You know, there might be things that aren't tailored to you, but I have 3 teenagers, and if it's face scrub, all of them will use it. If it's a girly, fun item, the girls will take it. So someone generally always will use everything that's in there. If there's a blanket or a scarf, somebody's fighting over it. So we'll take a look at this box. Okay, so when you open your box, you get this fun little magazine, and this magazine has different editor notes. It has different products that are in it, and you'll see not all these products will be in the box. Some of them might, some of them might not, but it tells you a little bit about them, what their retail value is, so you can add up your box and really see how much you're getting for the $49. And I'll tell you, a lot of times I'll get this box and there'll be something in here like these little gold eye masks. You're not just getting one product and them trying to tell you it's $25. You get a whole 6-piece set, so you have a full-size product. These aren't like some of the other boxes where these little petite samples or you only get one. You get a box of 6 where you can try it and see if it's something that you'd like and you might purchase later. I know a lot of these products I would never buy, and I found myself hoping or seeing if customization later on has something similar because I love them so much. So they always have, and they'll have little decorative things or little pieces of jewelry. So this is a fun little read. They usually always include something like this. Sometimes it's a Hello Fresh card if you try that, or a photo album online. I forgot the brand. And then this one looks like Bright Sellers. Oh, wine's the other one. So you can go on, use this code, and like get a $50 credit. Now generally these are going to be more, you have to buy a certain amount and then you get $50 off. But if you know someone that wants to try them or you want to try them, you can also pass this on. You don't have to be the one to redeem this. So they have these, like I said, these cute little, it's in paper. So you're going to get the paper open. And then you get your products. So let's see, the first thing we have is roll-on fragrance oil. Now some things are scented. You can't get a box that's partially scented, or if you have some sensitivity to smell. So an original by RDDLE. Never heard of it, but we'll try it. Again, if I don't like it, my daughters will like it. We have a foot cream, Sicilian blood oranges. Like their creams that they get, that smells like fresh oranges, guys. So the stuff that they have, usually it's not like overly fragrant where you can't use it. I haven't found one that's gag worthy. Okay, what else? Let's see. Oh, Tom's. Let's see what Tom's has. Oh, cute, cute, cute. Oh, aren't those cute? Let's see. Cute. We're ready for the beach. Aren't those cute? I'll have to watch them. The teenagers will definitely scope those out. I'm actually opening this box when they're not here because usually everybody's pulling something out and I don't even get to see everything. So I love those glasses. let's see, this is, let's see what this is. Oh, so it's an aloe and tea tree toner. Tea tree is great for your skin. It helps with dandruff. It helps with a lot of different things. It has a lot of healing properties, and aloe. So this is a toner. Your complexion. So another thing I like about this, having 3 teenagers, they're always having skin imbalances or breakouts, and there's always one that's like, this product doesn't work for me, this doesn't work. So this is a great way for me to try different products on the kids and see which works best for who. All 3 of them, all different skin types, all different acne issues or blackheads or whatever it is. There's a way for them to try different products without you going and spending however much this probably is, $20 to $50 every time at Ulta or Sephora or wherever you shop, even Walmart, Target. You're able to get different things for your kids and try them without having to go and pay full price in the salon or at the store. So this is something that they'll definitely take. I don't have acne as of yet, I just am old. So they'll tend to, they'll tend to use this, and I'm sure they'll swipe that. And then after sun spray for your hair. Now we have one daughter, it's a beach mist, botanical after sun spray. This is great to prevent damaging to your hair. If you have blonde hair, even if you have dark hair, it's always good for you to wet kids' hair, but this is great. It'll probably also help with curly hair. We have one that has curly hair, so when we spray these kind of things in her hair, her curls just kind of buff up. Let's see what else we got in here. Oh, got a little makeup drop. I've never got the art of getting these. The kids love them, but one of these hybrid makeup drops to put foundation on. I use a brush typically, but I'm all for trying new things. This is some kind of little, oh, Michael Kors. That will be mine. Oh, it's a little wallet. A little wallet that you can take and have fun with. So that's cute. Something just to put maybe some cards. You could even put your passport, I would imagine. That's big enough for your passport. But that's fun, cute, little. Great for summertime. Nobody wants to carry a big bag around. And then this looks like the last one. Let's see what this is. This is the last one. Oh, it's a package. So it's a diffuser, like an oil diffuser. Yep. Let's see what this looks like, guys. These are, there's oil in it too. Is it an oil diffuser? Oh, it's a little stick one. A little, watch me make a mess of this. Let me get the bottom out. I think that's the stuff you're not supposed to eat. Okay. Oh yeah. So it's just a little diffuser that you take these off, soak it up, and then there's this, but also so a little diffuser. So this time, this would be considered a summer box. So our summer box, again, we got a diffuser, we got the beach spray, a little perfume, we did get a foot cream, aloe and tea tree toner, a little makeup bop. This goes with this. We got the Tum sunglasses and this. This will be mine. I guarantee you the girls will take this. But this just goes to show you, so this is a summer box, so it's geared more towards summer. Travel, fun in the sun, beach spray, foot cream, toner, anything that would be summer related. But then when you go back through your little magazine that you get, you'll notice that there's other things in there that you didn't get. That is from customizing your box, you're able to choose 2 to 3 depending on the subscription. You're able to pick that and just get something that you might want over something else. This time I didn't customize anything, I just wanted to see what they sent, but I'm pretty happy with it. Everything we'll use. I haven't really found anything that I haven't liked. There's been times when I've gotten charcoal teeth whitening or charcoal facial masks when those were new. The eye mask, I've gotten lip mask, hand masks. So just really depending on the season and what's popular at the time and new. So this is my Fab Fit Fun box. I'll put a link down in the description below if you want to use the code. I'm not doing anything but a simple review, no affiliation. It's just my friend code that everyone gets. So if you become a subscriber, you can, you know, give 3 out to a friend, and you can try it and see if you like it. And I think it gives you like $10 off as a friend the first month. So one thing is when you total up, you can see. So I paid $49. So this diffuser on here, they say it's $59. Oops, can't do my computer. So then I got the Michael Kors wallet. That was $78. And then what else is on this page that I got? Nothing. But it gives you all the different things. The Tom sunglasses, I got those as well. Those are $58. We got the toner here. That was, ooh, that was a lot. $54. What else did we get on this page? Oh, we got the perfume, this little perfume. And it's Riddle, that's what it's called. Oil Original Roll-On. So $50 for that. Then, what else? Oh, we got the orange foot cream, which is this one. That's $24. And then we got the makeup drop. This one was $20. And then I think it was just, oh, the beach mist is $42. So guys, so in a box that I paid $49 for, it cost me, or it's valued at $3.85. Plus, don't forget, we got the little card to do the Total Wine, and this just goes to show you, like, again, you have this little thing that you can go through. It features different ads that have different products, just to show like popularity. But this is my haul, and this was the $49.99 box that I did not customize. So this is how it was sent to me, but somewhere in that, 3 of these objects would have been interchangeable with something else that was listed in this magazine. Thanks for joining us, and I hope you like Fab Fit Fun, and I'll talk to you later. Thanks.